Hello everybody, it is me, Ace Pilot 109, or Captain John. Today I'm going to be showing you how I built this pretty cool secret camera spy RC car and remotely drive around your house or just go around and spy on people, I don't know. Now the construction of this is actually quite simple once it's broken down. Now, these kinds of cars, they have these removable bodies that have little holes. That means you can mount pretty much anything on these body clips right here. As you can see, you pull out the clip, pull out the other clip, and now you can pretty much mount whatever you want as long as the holes are spaced properly. And of course, there's some on the back here too. And then the unit is completely removable. Normally, this would go fit on those holes, and then you'd clip it down with the clips. But instead, I've made this FPV unit. Now for my particular RC car, I wanted this thing to be somewhat weather resistant, so I wanted it to be all inside of a Tupperware. So this is just an upside down Tupperware, and as you can see, here's the FPV camera, and here's just a little battery box kind of thing that keeps the battery still, and all these other cords just get plugged in and tucked in. It's not see-through completely, so I did cut a little window, and this is some plastic from a 2-liter bottle that I just glued onto there. So the entire thing is, well, let me plug it in. So now the entire thing is completely enclosed and should be somewhat weather resistant. Now this is a FPV system from a RC plane, or built for an RC plane, but it also works on RC cars and trucks. Pretty much anything you want, it can go on. So as you can see here, we have the live footage from this little box. And you can drive the RC car from the screen. I did actually use this setup in another video, which I will be here. And you can click on it, and you can see how I use the FPV system on a airsoft pew-pew. Not going to say the word on YouTube, but the pew-pew, you know what I'm talking about. So you might want to check that out, that might be interesting. So that's how I built this RC FPV RC truck spy car. And now I'm going to show you it just driving around in my front yard, and the footage is not great as it is being directly recorded from what the screen is saying. In person, the screen is a little bit higher quality. I don't know why it's uploading weird, but yeah. Now one thing you could do is drive it from the FPV screen, but also have a GoPro set up to where afterwards, because you can't fly from a GoPro live, you can get the higher quality GoPro footage instead of using the radio footage, because the radios are not that high quality. They are not digital. That's about the only downside with this setup, is the fact that the footage is not the highest quality, but that's kind of expected, and it's manageable. It's not that bad. It is built for aircraft that don't have ground interference or anything like that because they're way up in the air. So let's go outside and set this thing up and drive it around. Well, everybody, that is going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope you found it helpful for your RC car or maybe airplane or whatever endeavors. More cool stuff coming soon, and if you want to see more, please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel to get some more people interested in this amazing hobby. Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you later.